Welcome to this week's episode of Nature Hunter. I'm Quentin Donnelly as always, and I will be your host for the day. Today, we are going to hunt the great dilly bar, the Stonosaurus.
Once again?
Oh yes, once again. And a new species we have discovered called the Thorny D. Makes it sound like an unappealing porn star, but you know, because he's not thorny. But anyway, before we get started today, we got some announcements. So, we're sorry for not having very many episodes out like we wanted to. We've had so many plans, different schedules, and whatnot. I've had military shit to do. Over the summer, there might be 1 or 2 episodes before school starts back up, and that's because I have basic over the summer. I'll be gone for 9 weeks, Fort Benning, Georgia, West Side. But, should we go ahead and get started, camera guy?
If you're prepared.
I'm prepared.
Alright.
Alright. Now, as we know, the Stonosaurus and the dilly bar, of course, they like to, hide in damp places. But tonight's a special night. They got the place illuminated. So, we got this.
Got to be quiet. I hear the dilly bar.
I do too. We are in the kitchen. Meters away from the species. The species we are hunting today. Let's go. Hey, come on, my signal. The Thorny D spotted us. We gotta go. We gotta go. Oh, no. Basketball. Thorny D's weakness because he likes to ball hard. We're gonna extend this episode and try getting a closer look again. Yet again. Let's go. We gotta try a different approach this time.
Should we just run?
We should just run straight to the front door. Ready? We gotta scream. That distracts them. They don't know what the hell to do after that. Alright, ready?
Oh, you suck. You're ready. Top right corner.
Alright, I'm gonna count to 3. 3, 2, 1. Camera guy, where were you? This is the family.
My door.
She's complaining about the door. Don't break the door. Just get busy.
It really won't shut all the way
It
anymore.
will eventually.
But,
It takes a little while.
Oh well, when I was
Can you
trying
still
it
see me,
earlier,
camera guy?
Yes.
I know, like it won't shut. And I was like, so soon it won't get out.
In
No.
about 10 minutes, it'll actually
Finish up.
Alright.
My brother took the door.
Well, I was
Thank you
trying to
for
pull
watching
it,
this
but it
week's
seems
episode of
like
Nature Hunter.
the door jam thing.
It's been the first for a while.
Want to let it?
And I feel
you
awkward
gotta-
talking
you
about
gotta
all
let
these
it
people
do it
about
on
this.
its own and
So
then-
let's go back inside and finish this
You can't
conclusion.
force it. You just have to let it happen.
Oh, this is great poo. Come on, poo. Go inside. Inside, poo.
It's open so creepy.
It may have forgotten.
Hello, guys. Thank you for being on this week's episode of Nature Hunter. That was probably the scariest thing I've ever done. Here we are in the bathroom yet again. I found... Camera guy, you got anything you'd like to add before I finish off this episode?
No. No, I don't.
No. Any plans over the summer?
No.
Neither do I, besides basic. I'm gonna come back a big beefy mofo and be like, well, I'm gonna drop the basketball and I'm gonna be like, yeah. Alright, but thank you for watching this week's episode of Nature Hunter. I am Quentin Donnelly, and as always,